we have a linear PA called the GRF5536. It covers 3300 to 3800 megahertz band, but it can actually be tuned as low as 2.9 gig and as high as 4.2 gig. We have some custom tunes to do that. It's a 5-volt, 2-stage gas PA, highly linear. And yeah, it's a really rugged, sturdy PA. Yes, this is an externally matched part, which is why we're able to custom tune it to your performance needs. So we have tested it all the way up to 100 megahertz LTE modulation, and it performed just fine. So far, we haven't found too many issues with stability. It's fairly stable over temperature. I'd say the only things we've run into that were a challenge would be the higher frequency ranges. Due to the harmonic trap of the device, we're pretty limited in how high in frequency we can tune. So around, I mentioned 4.2 gigahertz earlier, around that frequency, power and gain drop off. So that's been a challenge for some customers. I have seen, from what I've seen with our characterization department and myself, this is a very rugged part. So the GRF5536, one of the biggest draws to this part is the linearity, using all the way up to 100 megahertz bandwidth LTE modulation, is linear to around 23.5 dBm. That's a minus 45 dBc spec without DPD and over temperature. No, you do not need DPD for this PA. That is also a good selling point. So probably the biggest amount of work that I've done on this part has been for a customer that wanted to use it in a cell phone compensator circuit, a compensor circuit, in order to boost cellular signals. So that's been one common application for this PA. Just its linearity and high power abilities make it good for a compensator.
Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like more information, please email us at sales@guerrilla-rf.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content from Guerrilla RF.